For question number 9, I want to factor this completely, and I know that I have a GCF here of 6 because 6 is common to both of these. So if I factor out a 6, that leaves me with x squared plus y squared. Now, we have to be really careful here because these are both squares. However, it's a plus in between them. And there is no factoring form for a plus, only subtraction, only a difference of squares. There is no sum of squares. So this is actually all we can do on this problem. So it's very common to try and factor that x squared plus y squared, but we cannot factor that because there is no sum of squares formula. The reason why there isn't is because if you were to try and FOIL any of your answers, you could never get back to x squared plus y squared. So be really careful, there is no sum of perfect squares. So once you see this plus sign, you can't use that factoring. So on number 12, I would try to take out a GCF, and there isn't one. And even though these are both perfect squares, meaning x times x would get you x squared, and 6y times 6y would get you 36y squared, because of this plus sign, we can't factor it. So this is prime, or you can just rewrite the original.